How to do live photos on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Camera app. Here, what you need to do is simply go to Photo at the bottom. After you're in Photo, you'll find a circle option. Simply hold on to it, which will take different images. Now, to view this, click on the bottom right corner of your screen and you can go to Burst. You can scroll through it and you can add all the photo at once and it will turn as live photo as you want. And after you do this, you're good to go. You can add this to your Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, wherever you want to post. And this is how to do live photos on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.